welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing great. Thank you so much for supporting. I'm so grateful to you all. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Your one like, one comment and your one subscribe will definitely make my day. And yes, if you want to see something particular, do comment in the comment section. I will definitely do that. So yeah, today in this video I'm going to do my go-to makeup look. This makeup is very basic, no false lashes, no eye makeup, nothing, very basic and very subtle. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm gonna go with this Biotech Morning Nectar moisturizer for all skin types. Like if you watch all of my videos, this is my favorite moisturizer. Next I'm gonna go with this Neutrogena Ultra Shea Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 plus. This is dermatologist tested and this is a really amazing sunscreen. It also works as a primer because it actually blurs out your pores and gives you a very flawless look to your face. So yeah, I'm using this one. It is really light in weight. Like you should always apply sunscreen when you're going out. Like never ever go out without applying sunscreen because sunscreen is a must. It protects your skin obviously from sun rays and also the dirt and the pollution. Now you can see the texture of my skin. Look how flawless it is looking. I love this sunscreen, trust me. Like this is a must buy sunscreen. It is not that expensive. It is just for rupees 550. So yeah, you can get a hands on it. Alright, then I'm gonna go with this Elegant Primer Spray. Prep and hydrate face for makeup. I never heard about this primer much, but then one day I was shopping from Amazon and I saw this primer and I thought to try it. So I bought it and this primer is like, I am loving this primer. This is really amazing. First, it smells delicious. Second, it actually blurs your pores. Must recommend you all to buy it. It is not that expensive. It is just for rupees 800 I guess. Like I got from Amazon, so I got this for 800. Otherwise on Nykaa it is for 1100 I guess. Then again I'm gonna go with this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I won't apply much. I will just apply in this area only because this area has a lot of pores. So I want my pores to be totally invisible so that मुझे makeup लगाने पे ज़्यादा like focus ना करना पड़े. What I think when you don't want to apply much makeup now, you have to focus on your skincare. If you focus on your skincare, like if you will prep your skin परफेक्टली ना, मतलब जब आप अच्छे से अपनी स्किन प्रेप करोगे तो आपको ज़्यादा मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती बिकॉज आपके स्किन अंदर से ही बहुत फ्लॉलेस और एकदम क्लियर हो जाएगी, तो आपको इतना मेकअप लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन स्किन केयर लाइक रादर दैन hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. look at the texture. I didn't apply much foundation because my skin was already prepped really good. Next I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is an amazing concealer with beautiful coverage. Okay, this concealer is not lighter than my foundation. This shade is slightly similar to my skin tone because I don't want to highlight my under eye. I just want to make it even. So I'm using this one. This is in the shade medium beige.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we
How beautifully it covered all my dark circles. But if you want to highlight your under eye, you can use one light shade than your foundation. Just one light shade than your foundation, not too much light. Just one lighter shade than your foundation. And I'm using this Maybelline New York concealer in the shade 20 Sand. So just you have to apply very little, like just
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
that's it. बिकॉज बहुत हल्का आपको हाईलाइट करना है. ज़्यादा हाईलाइट करके लाइक दिन में या रेगुलर डेज में आप बहुत ज़्यादा हाईलाइट करोगे तो बहुत अजीब लगेगा. वो बहुत ही जब आप प्रॉपर मेकअप कर रहे हो या थोड़ा गॉडी मेकअप है तभी आपकी अंडर आई आपके फाउंडेशन से अगर ज़्यादा हाईलाइट हो रही है तभी अच्छा लगता है. रेगुलर डेज में अच्छा नहीं लगता. आई डोंट हाईलाइट माई अंडर आई इन रेगुलर डेज. I just make it even when using the similar shade to my foundation. That's it. See, ज़्यादा लाइट भी नहीं लग रहा और आप सेटिस्फाई भी हो गए कि आपको अपनी अंडर आई हाईलाइट करनी है. Then I'm gonna use this compact from Face Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact in the shade Beige 03 to set my under eye so that it doesn't look cakey.
And on we'll go.
And you also have to apply the compact on your eyelids because we use concealer on our eyelids, and if you don't apply compact on your eyelids, after some time you will see crease on your eyelids which doesn't look really nice. So you have to apply compact on your eyelid, and I will also apply all over my face to set everything which I've applied, like the foundation. So yeah, we are done with the base. That's it, nothing too much, that's it. Now coming to my eyebrows, I don't do my eyebrows on regular days. I just brush up my eyebrows. That's all I need because I don't think I need to do my eyebrows because they're already really good. I like my eyebrows. But still, if you want to add some shape to your eyebrows, you can do your eyebrows, but with very light hand. Like बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं करना, बहुत हल्का हल्का जस्ट शेप दे देना है, like ये बहुत नेचुरल लुक लगे. That's it. Because फेस में परफेक्ट आईब्रोज तो सभी को पसंद है. Now comes the contouring. I don't do contouring on my regular days. That's your choice. If you want to add some shape to your face, just add a little bit over here from the top of your ear, just right over here. Okay, let me tell you something. You can also apply full face makeup on your regular days, even in afternoon or in the morning. That's totally up to you. That's totally your choice. Don't care about anyone, what people will say. It's your choice. You love applying makeup every day, like the full face makeup every day. That's totally your choice. Nobody will judge you. And even if they judge you, who cares? Nobody. So it's totally up to you if you want to add if you want to do your eye makeup regular in your regular days, if you want to add contouring on a regular days, that's totally up to you. So I'm just telling my basic routine. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि मैं नहीं करती तो आप नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो आप बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. Next, I'm gonna apply blush as I'm not doing contouring. We all need blush. We all love our cheeks to be pink. So I'm using this lip tint from Face Shop Official. I like this lip tint because बहुत अच्छा टेक्सचर आता है इसका, बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं हो जाता, बहुत बहुत हल्का और लाइट पिंक लुक देता है जो बड़ा ही क्यूट सा लगता है। आप तो बस हल्का सा लगाऊंगी। That's it. Then I will blend it. You can also blend it with your fingers.
Wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the
Pink. That's what I like. Then moving on to eyes. I'm not a kajal person, so I won't apply kajal. If you're a kajal person, you can. I will just apply mascara. That's it. No liner, nothing. Liner भी बस कभी कभी जब मूड हो, वरना I just apply mascara. Oh, I'm sorry. I am using this Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. This is waterproof mascara. See. So yeah, that's it for eyes, nothing much. Now moving on to lips. You can apply any lipstick you want. I am using this shade from Nykaa, Kashi. I love this shade. This is a very nude pink, like gorgeous for regular day use.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
This is almost finished.
On and on we'll go.
Now moving on to highlighter. Highlighter is totally your choice if you want to apply it or not. I just apply it very little, like with my finger only, just on my cheekbone, like this, on the top of my nose. Then lastly, using this Face Canada setting spray, set everything on your face. So yeah, that's it. That's the final look.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the way.
Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I love you all.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on